Hello everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned few greetings in French. In this lesson, you will learn few common phrases in French. So let's begin. Leçon 2. Once again. Leçon 2. Phrases courantes or common phrases. Once again. Phrases courantes. I would again request you not to get into the details of the structures. The best would be to repeat each one of them after you hear me. Good luck! Let's start with the first expression you have already heard in the previous video. Merci. Once again, merci. If you are really thankful for something, you say merci beaucoup. Once again, merci beaucoup. Notice that the EA followed by a U is always pronounced like an O, with straight lips. O. Beaucoup. Please note that the P at the end is not pronounced, as there is no vowel, such as an E behind it. As a reaction for merci and merci beaucoup, you will say de rien. Once again, de rien. Next one is s'il vous plaît. Once again, s'il vous plaît. This is a structure that is only used in formal situations or with people you don't know. In informal or casual situation, you can just say s'il te plaît. Once again, s'il te plaît. To say sorry, we use je suis désolé. Once again, je suis désolé. We add an E at the end if it's a female talking. French is one of the languages that distinguish between male and female when using verb conjugation. We can also use pardon. Once again, pardon. It's like saying sorry instead of I am sorry. Je vous demande pardon. If I don't understand what a person is saying and I want them to repeat, I will say Je vous demande pardon. Since this is a question, it's very important to use the intonation. Je vous demande pardon. An alternative is encore une fois s'il vous plaît. Once again, encore une fois s'il vous plaît. Please note the change of intonation, as this is not a question like Je vous demande pardon. The next one is Parlez-vous français? Or Parlez-vous anglais? Don't worry about the C for now written that way, as we're gonna see why in the next videos. Just focus on the pronunciation and usage. Now, if I do not speak those languages, I would say Je ne parle pas français or Je ne parle pas anglais. Once again, Je ne parle pas français or Je ne parle pas anglais. And if I speak a bit, I would say Je parle un peu français or Je parle un peu anglais. Once again, Je parle un peu français or Je parle un peu anglais. The next one says Je ne comprends pas. Once again, Je ne comprends pas. Excellent. Let's move on to the next one. Je ne sais pas. Once again, Je ne sais pas. As an alternative, you can say aucune idée. Once again, aucune idée. Here is the next one. Aucun problème. Once again, aucun problème. Notice how we did not pronounce here the letter N, but we did in the example before when we had an E after the N. Now, a very simple one. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. Once again. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. Now coming to the three most important words in the language. Oui. Once again. Oui. Non. Once again. Non. And finally, peut-être. Once again. Peut-être. Now let's go over these phrases once again. Don't forget to repeat after me. Merci. Merci beaucoup. De rien. S'il vous plaît. Je suis désolé. Pardon. Je vous demande pardon. Encore une fois, s'il vous plaît. Parlez-vous français? Parlez-vous anglais? Je ne parle pas français. Je parle un peu anglais. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne sais pas. Aucune idée. Aucun problème. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. Oui, non, peut-être. Merci. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.